every trader's focus is to get low spreads and finding a perfect strategy. They also focus on proper entries and exits. However, before any decision is made, look for a reliable broker. We all want to have good spreads and commissions that allow us to get into the blue faster. At HankoTrade, having spreads as low as 0.0 pips with leverage available up to 500 times is just one click away. You may also choose from 3 different account types, with a minimum deposit as low as $10. Built by traders for traders. Trade and control with our recommended broker, HankoTrade.
Hey guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to the live session with Stock Sniper Trading, guys. My name is Dave, my partner is Ron. Current time is 7:31, April 19th, 2022. All right, everything looks like it's supposed to be a good morning so far. News, there's not really any high volume, high impact news. Okay, we'll go over that in a little bit. Make sure to check the description box, guys. It's not a buy or sell channel here. We're here to provide free technical and fundamental analysis. All right, any trades taken upon yourself, make sure not to risk 1%. All right, it's just probably best for all overall accounts, especially on days like today. All right, so hope everyone's doing good. Like I said, welcome to the channel. We're gonna get live doing a top-down analysis on gold. All right, then we're gonna do Nasdaq as well, and then lead into probably US 30 at market open. Okay, keep it short and simple, and we're ready to rock. So guys, you can see that this is on the daily. All right, this chart we have right here is on Saxo. Okay, so if you guys want to follow along, grab the same chart. Totally up to you. So we're hovering right in around this area right now. Okay, on gold. Do see a nice little demand area. Okay, on the daily. If we do break that, guys, obviously we're coming back down. But as of right now, definitely see a good area right around here. Okay. Next, we're going to gather some supply. Okay, and you can see I look to my left here when I'm doing this. All right, just check it. Supply zone text. Okay, so we're going to Shamir, German 30 is probably best during London. Okay, we're going to focus on just the US 30 part and Nasdaq for this sesh. All right, but I definitely know about the DAX. Okay, so we got daily support here, guys. All right, and then you can see we have a nice little resistance area at the top wicks. All right, for some daily resistance. Okay, let's just check Uno Momento here. Perfect. Guys, look at this long wick right here we have to fill. Okay, that's going up to almost psychological 2000. The high is at 1998.41, you can see on the right here. Okay, and we're right around that 2000 mark. So price is looking good. We're kind of consolidating right now, sideways trading, but you can see it is in a steady upward trending movement here. All right, so what I'm looking to do now is drop down to my 4-hour. All right, gonna move this over here just so it's not shooting right through all those candles. All right, you can see that we're getting some resistance here on the 4-hour, generally right around this area. Okay, we also have some 4-hour support at the candle closes right here. All right, so we can drop now down to the 1-hour time frame. System Pro FX, what's going on, my man? Shout out to you, dude. All right. Okay, looking good. Just want to see what we have below here, just in case we do try and break this general area. Okay, so this is going to be my 1-hour support, and this is if we break the structure here, guys. This is the breaking of the daily support. Okay, so we're coming back down to the hourly. You can see it's below all this consolidation, which was the bank holiday. All right, so I just had to get something below the daily just in case we do try and break there. Not sure if it's going to happen or not, but like I said, we are in some steady downtrend movement on the hourly. Okay, and then you can see the kind of candles that we're trading right now. This is the stuff that you want to stay away from. All right, it's there's no volume here. Every time we go bullish, it retraces. Every time we go bearish, it pushes back up. A lot of doji, spinning tops, indecisionness in the market right now on gold. Okay, so you can see that we just need to drag this across. Looking good. All right, I do have now some 30-minute support based on this current wick. What's going on, everyone? Okay, and secondly, I'm going to gather 30-minute resistance. All right, we're going to drop now down to 15, and we're going to work based on the top-down analysis. Okay, so we're going to drop it one more time frame down to the 5, but you can see on the 15, look at what we've made here. Okay, let's check out the RSI. We're hovering right around the 50 mark, so it's heavily, indecisive right now. Okay, we can check out where we're at around the 200. Where are we? We're right around there, guys. We are right around the 200, which is why you're getting some resistance here. See, they're pumping it up, closing it above, and they push it right back down. Okay, let's take a look at the 9. We are above the 9 EMA. Okay, so if price does punch up, okay, above this 4-hour resistance around that 1979. Okay, general area right there, you can see that we can have some nice push and at least get back to the 30-minute and the daily resistance here. Okay, so let's take a look and see what's going on the 5. Okay, you can see that price is still rising here. Okay, so let's watch and see how this is going to continue. You can see we have some nice steady uptrend motion here that's starting to form. Okay, don't need to do too much of that simply because we have this 9 EMA on here. Okay, now as soon as we punch above here, guys, if we do, you can see that we have a nice long wick here and then a lot of rejection. So I'm just going to mark this 5-minute resistance. Okay, so guys, you can see that we're definitely now approaching that 4-hour resistance. This is the very strong higher time frame resistance, guys. Okay, very strong, but you can see the momentum is still showing nice and bullish. Okay, my man System Pro FX always supporting me with coffees. Shout out to you, my man. All right, I got my coffee here. Much love. Guys, please check out his channel if he has one. I don't know if he does. Please check it out, System Pro FX. He's been given coffees daily, so you got to give some shout outs and some love based on that. All right, so let's just be patient here, guys. The current time is 7:40. All right, we got another 20 minutes until the new hourly candle opens. All right, so we want to make sure that we're not entering in prematurely. We want to have a good entry, and guys, we enter on the 5-minute time frames. All right, so let's just watch and see how this is going to go. We have approached this level multiple times, so you can see one touch here, second, third, fourth, and now you have a 5th attempt here. Okay, what I like right now, all right, is the fact that price is now closing above this 200 EMA. All right, we need to now see a continuation push. I can see a little bit of formation of a bullish flag pattern here. Okay, so let's watch and see if this is going to play out. So what a bullish flag pattern is, it's a continuation pattern. So you can see we have a flagpole here, kind of dancing in and out, okay, before we get here, and then we can see if we can get a nice little rise to the upside, okay? And the coordinates, $19.79, 79.2, and you can raise it up all the way to there, which would be 1980.50. Okay, so let's watch and see how this is going to start to make a move. And guys, what are your put in the chat box what your guys' spreads are on gold right now? Because like I said, in about maybe 10 minutes we're going to do Nasdaq. All right, just wanted you guys to understand that we will still be doing Nas. I'm not going to focus on too much pairs today. Ron destroyed GU and GJ today in London session. I saw the trade. You guys can see them on the free FX group, guys. So make sure to check this out. Check out our free FX, guys. You can smash the or check it out. Subscribe. Sorry, guys, I need more coffee here. By just clicking the top of the YouTube chat. Okay, you can see what the last post was. That was our London session hosted by Ron. Okay, so big ups. All right, so guys, we got some gold ticks. We got anywhere between four. My man saying that's a big spread. 44.5. Dan. 2.4. Okay, so we do have some decently not too crazy high spreads, but we have some higher than not spreads. So if you guys don't feel comfortable trading gold, you don't really have to. Okay, we are in some consolidation state as well. We're right around these moving averages, so it's definitely something that we need to just watch and be aware of. Okay, I am going to, all right, head over and do Nasdaq just so we have it done. That way we're not wasting too much time sitting here watching gold bouncing in and out of this consolidation. But again, if this is a bullish flagpole right here, okay. Okay, we do have a potential bullish flag pattern starting to form. Flagpole, okay, flag, and we'll see if we get any continuation, okay. Okay. Phase, what's up, buddy? Okay, guys, so remember I told you they're dipping out in and out of here. I like how they're pushing the wick to the upside. They're showing a lot of strength trying to break here. Okay, so I'm just going to set an alarm real quick, and then we're going to head over and do some nasty Nasdaq. All right. And guys, just so you can see here, Nasdaq is on global prime. All right. So let's check it out. Let's go to the daily here. I don't want to have too much in terms of spreads. I want to see what they're like. Move my moving averages off here. All right. Guys, and when I'm doing this, I'm generally going back about 5 or 6 candles here. I'm not going back a crazy amount. You can see to the left if you need help with structure. Okay, always look to the left. All right, looking to the left will find you key areas that price has been before, so it's giving you historical data. All right. And same with if you're looking for supply. Same thing, guys. Nothing really changes. Supply, demand. As scalpers, guys, when we're looking for this, we want to find, key areas. But again, you don't want to have too much going on here because it can confuse you. All right. So, you just want to be careful, be patient, especially on early in the time frame when you're coming into about 15 minutes for the new hourly candle. All right. So let's just widen this up so you guys can see. Okay, I do see nice resistance areas now forming on the candle close for the. I'm just gonna move this up here. Grab the wick. Daily resistance, and then I'm finding some daily support down here at the current candle. Okay. Now, guys, I just want to be completely honestly transparent with you. Technical analysis is very subjective. Okay, so what I think might be a good setup, you might not think it might be. Okay, so this is why, coming into here, you gotta have an open mind because everybody thinks differently. All right, so that's just something I always like to say. I don't always generally say it every single stream, but again, I try to say it as much as possible just so you guys can start to understand that technical analysis, it's not always 100%, like you said, accurate in terms of the trader that's doing it. It can be very biased. All right. Okay, so guys, you can see that I'm just starting to form some 4-hour support right here. I was talking when I was doing it, and I'm going to gather the same thing right here. Just if we break, I might switch this to the hourly just to see the structure. Yeah, I like that better. So I got the 1 hour there. All right. Give me 1 second here, guys. I don't like how this green box is so green. Let me just fade this out just a tad. Okay, we'll go back down to the hourly. There we go. Okay, I'm going to gather this, move it over here. It's going to be daily support. Got this bad boy. Okay, nice. Now I see another hourly resistance here forming. Okay. Okay, and then we're going to drop to the 30. Move that up here just a tad. There we go. Okay, and we're going to drop to the 15, guys. My man Paul, what up, buddy? Guys, give a shout out to Paul and Shahab, please. You can see there's a lot of other YouTube channels that have multiple, and I mean multiple moderators. Guys, we have only a few simply because of their work that they do. They're there helping people and stuff like that. So just give them some shout out, guys. They're always answering your questions. So give them some love. E green for which one? Just moving it down here. Oh, right there. I just moved it up so make it a clear support level. You can see that right there I moved from the wick. It was at the body, moved to the wick, and see all the big long wicks that are pushing down and they're holding above that area? That's the only reason why I put it right there. Okay. And remember, this is a general area. My chart, okay, might not be the same as yours. So that's what I'm just, when I said it's subjective, but I try to find the best support levels possible. Okay. Good question, though. Okay, guys, we're going to check out gold and Uno Momento here. Just chill out. You can see we have a nice little uptrend forming. Okay, let's go down to the 5. Right now, E green, I'm just if I can tell you one piece of advice, man, look at the time, okay? And then just wait and see. We're talking about wicks coming in. Just wait and see at the, at the new hourly candle. Just updating a trade ID here, guys. We should be running 15 pips on gold in the trading session here. Okay, there's Goldilocks, just getting a nice okay, see how we're pumping up here? Okay, let's go take a peek on gold, guys. I'm more interested in watching gold. I know that we're having a nice push on Nasdaq, okay? But gold is a little bit more of a technical pattern and a continuation that I would rather focus on, okay? So right now, guys, this is a bullish flag pattern here, okay? So I mentioned to you members, you guys should be running in multiple positions. 1778 from the trade idea sent to the group, and then this one right here is running about 10 pips, okay, at the top of the wick, all right? Rayan, what's up, big man? What's going on, guys? So you can see that we have a continuation, okay? Flagpole, bullish flag, and then you have your push to the upside here, okay? So members, your stop loss can be down anywhere around here if you're scalping. You don't want to have a wider stop. Okay, so you're running about 10 pips. So you can move your stop loss to break even if you want. Secure your pips. Okay, coming to the 30-minute resistance. All right, following through on the bullish flag pathway. Okay, so let's go take a peek at Nasdaq too. I just wanted to follow through with this. It's looking pretty juicy so far here. But guys, like I said, current time 7:52. Look to secure some of this. Okay, you can secure about 50% if you'd like. Look at the moving average; they're just starting to cross here. Okay, so this is showing nice potential signs of a golden cross, which means price of gold will rise. Okay, price of gold can rise depending on if we're going to get the follow through at the hourly. Let me ask you guys a question. Do you guys understand this bullish flag pattern here? All right. Are you guys understanding about a bullish flag pattern? Do you understand how powerful this pattern is? Okay. Nasdaq is also pushing. All right. Both Nasdaq and gold are pumping. All right. So members, you guys should be running at least maybe 15 pips now. 12 pips. Okay. Okay, so 49 seconds, guys. Don't get greedy here. Okay, this candle can open up. Okay, pushing. You can see it can open up and possibly do a retest. Okay, you can see a lot of the wick rejection here. Okay, that's what I'm seeing right now. So don't get greedy. Secure some of this. Guys, I'm going to take a screenshot of one of the alerts that one of our admins sent today. Okay, it is this gold buy, and we have it at 1978. Okay, so about 10 pips ahead. I'm going to send this to the FX group so you guys can see, just so if you guys have questions about what we're doing, you can see what's up. Okay, so you can see gold is still pushing up, guys. Nasdaq is pumping as well. Okay, so take a peek at Nas. Have a huge up break, guys. Now this is what I like to see right here. Even if we took this break above the hourly resistance, okay, we're coming to the 200. Okay, why I like gold is because we broke above it. Right now we can get some heavy rejection here, as you can see before. That's what led to that huge potential sell-off. Okay, so we're right at that same area. Okay, so let's watch and see what the next hourly candle will be. We've got about 3 minutes left here. Okay, we'll watch gold until this new hourly candle opens. Okay, so 2 minutes 46 seconds here, guys. A little bit slow right now. Patience is a virtue. Remember that. Okay, we will look over and do Nasdaq as well. Just want to see how this hourly candle opens. Guys, if it holds nice support here, I don't like the one issue I have is this wick has not tested this previous wick, so it's closing below. It's a little bit of a weak close. Okay, I'm not saying that price cannot continue. It definitely can. Okay, but I'm looking for it to get to the daily resistance here. Okay, that would be my target. All right, that's 1982. Okay, so it's going to be a big move if we keep running up to the upside. Okay, but we have to get some more push. Okay, we need to see some more momentum coming up here. Okay, this is the target, and we're going to keep walking our way up here. If it keeps going like this is what we're looking for. Okay, nice bullish move if it's going to continue. The reason why I'm saying that, guys, is because look, we're just getting a slight golden cross right here, which means the pressure of sellers are being negated and the buyers are starting to take control, as you can tell by the bullish flag pattern for the continuation. All right. Bob's in. Go to the free FX group. You can see I just posted the bullish flag chart right there, just so you guys can understand what that kind of pattern is. And if you don't know what it is, guys, Google is widely available to everyone in the world. You can definitely use a Google search option and check out what a bullish flag means. Okay. 12 seconds, guys. We're coming into the new hourly candle. How can you send us a chart analysis? I'm not accepting any charts right now. Okay, we're not accepting any charts right now. We don't really accept any kind of charts from people on YouTube right now. Okay, so 407, guys, you can see the first minute started to open up, got rejected. Remember I told you about the weak close, not even getting that wick. It's now holding some nice support so far here. All right. Okay, so we'll just watch on gold. Okay, watch on gold. We're gonna flip over to Nasdaq. Gonna check this out. Okay, so you can see heavy resistance. All right, on Nasdaq. Okay, on the 5, you can see, take a look at the 15, what it looks like so far. Okay, 15 looks pretty bullish so far, guys. Remember, we're holding the, okay, we're above the 9, which is nice and juicy. Okay, you're getting your retest on the hourly support, so they're possibly continue to walk this up. Okay. So you can see nice ignited candle, little to no wick right there. All right. Okay, I want to see the style of that. Do some consolidation, similar to how we just did with Goldilocks. Okay, so gold just kind of retested the overall resistance at 1980 and was pushed back down. Okay, so let's watch and see how this is going to continue to run. Now we can watch what's going on with here, guys. Let's go take a peek on the 5 minutes, see how this is starting to work. Okay, a little bit of a retracement here, guys. Let's go back to gold here. I like the gold setup for Uno Momento. So remember why we put on these moving averages right here. 200 got wicked back down and it held support. Okay, same with here, started to push back up. Okay, so let's watch and see how the next little bit. Remember I told you for the first hourly candle to watch and see. Okay, currently coming into 805. All right, you can see 805 candle. If you didn't take your profit, you would have been washed back out. You would have had maybe a secondary chance on this. Okay, but again, like I said, if they want to dump this, they can at any time. All right, and that's because, you know, the strong momentum is coming in. Okay, you got about 36 seconds left. Let's watch and see how this is going to start to make, what kind of candle it is. All right. Okay, so heavy engulfing candlestick. All right, it just filled the previous, filled the current wick. Greg, just wait a second here. You can see it's dancing in and around this moving average right here. They can open this up green and push it right back up. They totally can. So just watch. If you miss the initial buy, which I told you to do, then you know what I mean. Now you're missing it. Okay. So I want to see Nasdaq first. Remember, I told you guys they can still pick it up right here. Okay. Nasdaq is looking pretty juicy right now. Okay. So we're just starting to break above the 15. Okay. I'm going to take a small little feeler buy here on NAS. Okay. See how this is going to work. My target is the 30-minute resistance. Let's see how this is going to go. All right, so we get a nice little push. Our target would be here. Got a TP right down here too. So let's watch and see the type of movement we're going to get. Okay, if we get a nice little break here, guys, like I said, your stop loss, manage your trade accordingly. We're going to see how this thing's going to start to work. Looking good. Okay, let's check out nasty or gold here for a second. Okay, so gold full bearish candlestick, still holding strong there. Okay, but they're still dancing it in and out. Okay, you can see they're still holding that nice support level on gold. All right, if gold holds support level here, guys, and breaks back above, okay, it'll be a nice thing for the buyers. But again, let it kind of work its thing at magic in here. All right, you can see that they can push this thing right back down. All right, they're closing it in between. It's like a sandwich. All right, it's like an Oreo in between the moving averages. Okay, so I'm not liking that too much right now. Okay, we'll just watch and see. Okay, guys, there we go. There's the rejection. That's why you watch. Okay, if it breaks this level here, guys, there we go. This thing can start to sink back down. So this level of price, okay, so monitor this right now. Okay, in between, in and out of the 200. All right, I'm going to focus on Nasdaq right now. Gold looks pretty good if it starts to sell back off. Okay, we're looking for a continuation. If it breaks down here, okay, probably coming back down to the 1977. I personally think that they're finding really good support levels around here. Okay, so price can start to rise to the upside, but it's all going to be dependent on what happens with these moving averages. Okay, so if we do get a short position here, okay, that's what we're looking at coming back down. And you might get only maybe 10 pips out of this, guys, so don't get greedy if it does happen. Okay, 77 to 79, maybe about 9-10 pips. You can see that they're holding nice support level there. So personally, guys, I don't know. I don't really even like that. If it does follow through, let it start to rock. Okay, let it start to rock. It's up to you if you want to grab something like that. And just to show you, that's what it looks like. Okay, so let's take a peek one more time at Nasty. I do like where Nas is showing the momentum, okay? If your spreads are too high on gold, guys, look at Nas. There we go. Okay, 5 seconds, guys. You can look to grab some profit here. All right, next candle's opening up a bit bullish. Okay, getting a little bit of a top wick. All right, so we're gonna have to have a retest at some point. If you guys took the buy here when I just said I'm buying Nasdaq, you guys are running. Okay, I'm up 20 bucks. I did a 2.0, which is $2, and I'm up 20, so I'm up 10 pips right now on Nas. Okay. Okay, I'm going to secure some of this, guys. Okay, I just don't like where all, it's not bad. Okay, guys, I just secured this Nasdaq trade. Okay, I'm looking to find something else. Made about 20 bucks on that. Okay, you can see the top wick is getting the push down, coming into the previous double top right here. So top, top, neckline. You can see the neckline, guys. If we draw a line, okay, that's where we're getting held up right now at NAS. Okay. Yeah, I didn't like the saying I told you I didn't like the gold trade. I thought it was still going bullish. That's why I said I'm not taking it. You can see the long wick. Let's go. See what I mean, guys? It pumped right back down here if you weren't fast enough. Okay. If you weren't fast enough, it reversed heavily, very, very fast. And now it's pumping possibly to the upside, guys. So I'm indecisive right now on gold. Okay. I'm noticing it's hovering right around these 200s. Okay. I like Nasdaq a little bit better right now, and we have two areas for setups on gold. Okay, so if you guys caught that 77 to 79 drop, sorry, 77.7709 drop, you guys would have made about maybe 10 pips. Okay, but then it pushed right back up. Okay, so right now super choppy, guys. This move was the best move. Okay, so other than that, I'm just gonna maybe dial this up a little closer so we're not gonna have so many green charts on here. And we're going to go back to Nasdaq and see. One sec, guys. I think that was maybe a liquidity grab. Okay, so guys, if gold pumps above that 79 again, I think we're coming back to that 1980 mark. Okay, if it breaks here, guys, I'm going to enter in on gold at a small buy. Okay, so you can see I had a nice little liquidity grab, guys. What this could be right here. Okay, generally what this could be is a stop loss raid. Okay, so I'm going to put this on here so you guys can start to understand. Okay, we're still getting a push to the upside. Where is the strategy? It's support and resistance, guys. Breaking resistance, following trends. It's called technical analysis. Just look it up on Google. That'd be a good thing to Google it, right? And then you can look at the moving averages right here. That's pretty much our strategy. You can see we do use an RSI as well. Okay, Trading Joe IM, and I just secured on it. I told you I got in from around here, and I can show you guys in the FX group if you need to see. Okay, so still going strong, guys. Still going strong here. Okay, Nasdaq is still pushing. Okay, I want to see Nasdaq before we get this massive gold pump. Okay, so Nasdaq is still holding a bit. Okay, so remember I told you Nasdaq, gold's probably going to go bullish. It's still pumping up now. Yep, absolutely. You want to see the EMA settings? There's the 200, and the same thing will look the same at the 9 here, okay? So I'm going to erase some of this shit right here. All right, it's getting too much congestion. All right, and just erase everything. All right, I'm going to leave that one alone. Okay, just too much congestion going on here. Okay, there we go. The webcam girl's trying to come back, guys. Twisted, they don't even know likes. That's hilarious. I told you gold was a buy. I just said it's going to pump. And it's doing it. Tati is a comedian, man. I'm telling you right now, he is. I've heard his jokes. Okay, guys, you can see the movement that they're making right now. They're pushing it and then they're pulling it fast. Okay, rejection's happening at that 1981. Okay, 0.04, heavy rejection right there. You can see to the left, or sorry, to the right, 1981.04. All right. I know Tati is a comedian. Okay, there we go. Still continuing, guys. Heavy resistance here. This 1980.5 is very strong. Okay. All right. Daily resistance is what we're looking for right here. Okay. Perec, yep. About an hour. Yeah, almost about an hour. Adia, just use EMA. Just use EMA. Type in EMA. Okay, and then you should be able to export that. Guys, you can see there we go, pumping. Ooh, they gapped it up on gold, guys. Look at this. See that gap up? That's strong. I told you gold was pumping. That's the friggin' trade right there. Where's Adidia? Okay, let's go to Nasdaq, guys, for 1 second. Watch. I don't want to bail on gold, guys. I think this thing could break through the daily resistance. Okay, so let's go check out Nasty. Ah. Guys, monitor gold for me. Okay, I want to focus on Nasdaq for a little bit too. I see some opportunities. I see some nice opportunities coming on Nas. This is the retest, guys. So don't don't get head faked out by this. Okay, here's your push. Here's your retest on the 200. Okay, if this thing doesn't hold here, all right, if this thing doesn't hold here, you're gonna start to see this just thing go boom right back down. All right. Okay, so let's watch right here. If it holds here, guys, you're gonna start to see a next little push up. Constantina, yeah, I saw that too. I noticed it. They're gonna get pushed down. Guys, I didn't I didn't tell the strategy. I'm not too sure about that. The strategy here, guys, is watching candlesticks, price action. You know, we use an RSI to see where we're at in the market. Remember, I told you guys you're gonna go boom if it breaks here. It's starting to do that now. Okay, so let's just watch and see what happens on NAS. In terms of a strategy, guys, look up technical analysis. Okay, technical analysis. That's pretty much what you need to look up, and that will tell you everything of what's going on here. Charts, patterns, price action. Okay. For everyone looking for the miraculous indicator to give them the best strategy, it doesn't exist. I'm going to save you years and lots of money. I'll repeat that again. For you guys searching for the best indicator or the best this and that, okay, I'm going to save you a lot of money. Just study price action and technical analysis and watch for news events. I'm going to save you guys a lot of years. Okay? A lot of years. But again, remember, trading's subjective, so what works for me might not work for you. Okay, so remember I mentioned to you that if we break this level of support right here on the moving averages, you're going to see it do boom, right? It's starting to do that right now. Abdullah Sam, you said you teach that in your courses. We go over it in our webinars. We do have some courses preset, which are very basic, intermediate, but we go a lot over it in our webinars and in our live sessions. Like I said, New York, we don't have live questions. It's private, it's quiet, it's just for trading, okay? But in our webinars and our other live sessions, like London, everything like that, yes, we do break it down for you. So. Yeah, Sonia, I know. What's the joke, Sonia? No, she was laughing at my thing. Okay, guys, so gold was rejected. Let's take a peek on gold too. I'm gonna leave this for one uno momento here, and we're gonna go check out Goldilocks. Mo, I would wait. Look at gold here, guys. Okay, look at gold. Heavy rejection coming near the daily resistance. Okay, so massive pump, and then you had your massive dump. Okay. Okay, look at this, guys. This thing is friggin' dumping here. All right. Really choppy. Okay. If you want to take a risk, Tati, you're battling for the comedian spot in this group. We're gonna do stand up night with you. Okay. Stand up comedy night. Guys, if it breaks below that 77.97, like I said, this general area right here, it's the same kind of idea as it was before. We had a long wick and it pushed back up. You can see what gold is doing right now, guys. It's just head faking. I'm not looking to mess around with gold. All right, when it's like this. Guys, yes, the webinars are recorded, okay, and they're generally loaded within 2 to 3 days. We have something that I haven't really even told much of the web members yet, but again, I don't really want to spill the beans, but it'll be a lot more efficient. Let's just say that. Okay, so gold is sinking now, guys. I'm not taking anything right now on gold. Okay, I'm gonna look at Nasdaq. I'm not liking the way gold is moving right now. Okay. Every time we push, we get a huge dump. Okay. We're going to push again and we're going to get a huge dump. All right. It's not what I want to be a part of right now. I just want to see what's going on with Nasty. Okay, so we're starting to close below this moving average. Okay. Um, okay. Okay, so check out what's going on with Nasdaq. It tried to break down below, okay, holding support level in between this consolidation box. All right. We're now holding nice support. It's bounced 1, 2, 3 times. Okay. They're trying to break it above, but look at where we're at. Anytime, guys, that we are in and around these moving averages, it's going to have head fake action like a mother. All right. Abdullah, send us a message again, dude. Like I said, we've missed some emails. I'm not going to lie to you. It's not like we can control everyone. We get bombarded after these streams, guys. I'll tell you straight up. There's 50 to 75 emails in the inbox. That's not a joke. And some of them they take longer than others. So you guys got to give us a little bit of time. But send us an email again, man. We'll work on our best. Eventually, like I said, we might cap this. We have so many people wanting to join. We might cap it at a certain thing. Okay. So phase, my man. Tati, send us a joke here, buddy. It's a little bit of a slow time right now. Let's go. My man Phase is going to rate your joke. Okay. Yeah, no problem, man. No problem. Guys, like I said, it's hard when you get bombarded with emails and stuff like that. So, but we're trying our best. Trying our best. Tati, use Google. It's the easiest way, my man. Okay, guys. So I'm not taking this, but gold looks like it could potentially drop off again. You can see that long wick right there. Okay, this is a huge engulfing candlestick. Okay, so this candlestick engulfed previously almost the first candle here too. So you can sell. There's a lot of sellers coming in the market right now. Okay, on gold. Um, like I said, I won't be really rocking this one. I'm not looking to trade gold again for the next maybe 10 minutes. Okay, I want to let this thing play out. If it does drop, guys, it's fine. Okay, it's a good trade setup because it can fill this wick right here. Okay, see what I mean? Not really liking what's going on right here. Yeah, saying, my man. Okay, this is really choppy right here. It's on the 15. Let's check out the 5. Just update this. Really choppy. There we go. I am going to remove this moving average right here, this 9. This is causing a lot of head fakes and headaches for me. Craig, it was so cold today, I saw a stockbroker with his hands in his own pockets. My man, that's hilarious. Guys, you guys got to join in the Zoom. Honestly, it's fun. We've already hit 2 trades today, and my man Craig is dropping Chris Rock jokes. I'm waiting for Tati to drop some. This is some funny shit, man. You guys. Axera Chanel, send us a message. Send us a message right now. I'll have one of our admins look at it. Like I said, we have missed a couple people, but everyone we missed, like we had Rayan yesterday, and we got him in. So just send us a message. We'll get ready to rock on that one. Okay, let's check out Nasty now. Okay, so Nasdaq is starting to rise again. Did not break below. Okay, the hourly resistance starting to push back up in terms of structure here. Okay. And guys, just to let you know, that when you join, okay, like it's like some people join and they think that everything's just supposed to magically appear. There's a walkthrough right here. Okay, half the time that when people email us, they don't watch the walkthrough to even join, which they should. Okay, and this walkthrough is showing you how to join the Discord, how to get connected to the website, different things like that. So we'll take 50% blame, and then we'll a lot of the times it's the other people not understanding how to join. So just send us a message, guys, and we can get you set up. No problem. All right. Okay, so let's watch and see on gold. Gold is the same thing, guys. Anywhere around these 200 and these 9 EMAs, you're going to get sideways trading action. I'm realizing it both right now are around there, so it's not something that I really want to mess with currently. Oh, God. My girl DP, there she is. Joke of the day. Did you know that foreign currencies is like going to the restroom this morning? When I closed my position, I'd lost 5 pounds. I love it. That's great. Okay, I'm gonna flip back to Nasdaq. I like Nasdaq today for some reason. All right. Axera, just send us an email. Okay, you'll be at the top of the chain. All right, so just send us one. We'll get you hooked up. You joined about maybe 1 day ago. Okay, so no issues like that, and we'll get you set up. Okay. Yeah, I was gonna say it's choppy right now, guys. I'm not liking it. It's kind of, you know, in and out of the moving averages. It's not really having much push-pull movement. But again, remember, guys, we haven't even looked at news today. Okay. You can see that we have nothing. Nada, zip. All right. Nothing really here until 12:30, which is the chef, and that's the only kind of orange folder. Okay, guys, this is really choppy. One more time, Goldie. Yeah, I'm not liking gold right now, guys. I'm going to leave gold alone. This is a head and shoulder pattern here. If this drops off, guys, and this thing dumps, okay, it's a head and shoulder pattern. Move that over. Okay, shoulder, head, head and shoulder pattern. We're going to see if this is going to dump down, guys. Now I'm looking at maybe something right here, okay? it already dropped. Okay, let's watch and see, guys. This could be performing an M pattern if it drops even further. Abdullah, yeah, you told me. Absolutely, man. Nice call out, dude. I like how you recognize the big bearish engulfing candlestick, which is the trend reversal pattern. Okay, very nice. Good ups, man. Big ups, straight up. Okay, and then you get your dump. Members, did anyone catch that with me? I know it dropped so fast. If you guys didn't, that's okay. No worries. I'm running 15 pips on it. 18 pips. There we go. Okay, guys, see? Head and shoulder pattern. There's the target right there, 4-hour support. Okay, the Nasdaq sell too. Let's take a peek on Nas, members. Take a peek. Nas is starting to sell as well, okay? Gold was a way better drop on that. Look at that. Look at that thing. So this happened, guys. Like I said, we were waiting here watching, okay? Shoulder, head, shoulder. This is the neckline right here at that 1977, okay? I was typing, guys. Okay, this thing is going to drop and enter. If you guys missed it, like I said, you did. But if you caught it, that thing would have ran about maybe 20, 30, 40 pips, okay? And it's all being patient, and it all had to deal with this engulfing candlestick right here, okay? Manish Bhatia. Yep. Okay, we'll get you, if you can see, we're doing a live stream, okay? So now that we have your information, we'll get you set up. And another easy way to, I'm not too sure if you guys really watched it, okay? The walkthrough right here, again, I'm going to repeat this, guys. I can't really stress enough. Watch the walkthrough. It shows you how to join. Shit. Okay, guys, I'm going to take a quick little second break here. I got to let the dog out. I'll be right back. Okay, thanks. Okay, guys, ready to rock. Sorry about that. When Pooch has to go out, he doesn't leave me alone. He's right beside me, nudging me and stuff like that, grunting. So, guys, gold is still dumping here so far. Okay, looking at tapping that 4-hour support. All right, I want to quickly see the Nasdaq, see what's happening if this is going to get a huge follow through as well. Okay, Nasdaq kind of held support right there. All right, so I'm going to focus mainly on gold. See if we can get another support level break. Okay, guys, if we have the momentum to break this 4-hour support, it's coming back down obviously to the daily. Okay, so that would be the next big move, but I'm going to think that they might push this up first a little bit, and then we're going to see if we're going to get a continuation to the downside. All right, let's just watch and see how this is going to make a move. If it just dumps, guys, that's a lucky just dump right down to the daily. Okay. Okay, about 2 minutes left. Holy fuck. Oh, guys, she just broke 4-hour and daily support. Oh my god. No one would have caught that thing. Oh, did you guys see that? You got it? Good, 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 good. You held it, eh? Good, guys. I like it. I like it. That thing gave you 20 pips right there easily, guys. 30 pips, 40 pips. Oh my god. 1600 on the gold trade. My man. That thing dumped. Oh my god. That thing dumped me like my last girlfriend did. Holy shit. Just done. Hopefully you guys heard that comment. I didn't really get dumped like that though. 42 pips, guys. Wow. My god. Oh, it's still going, guys. This thing is bye bye. My god, that thing is a dump, guys. You guys understand? If you didn't catch it though, you're just waiting. Just, you know what I mean? That trade at the entry potentially running down, guys. That's 70 pip drop. Like that's a big drop, and it all had to do with that inverse head and shoulder and the engulfing candlestick right there. So that's crazy, guys. Crazy dump. We're coming back down. This thing. Holy shit. We're gonna have to go on higher time frame, guys. I think this thing can continue to drop. We're gonna have to go on the hourly. Yeah, this thing is going down. Okay, this guys, if it breaks, it's coming back down here, right down to the. There it goes. This is on the 15, guys. Rob Mack, I don't know. I'm just let's take a peek. Good idea, guys. God, I should have held, guys. I was in at a standard at 1977, and I took 193 bucks. I'll post it in the group. But if I held that, no, God, yeah, let's just rock it down there. So it's Jesus. Here's your 3 black crows, guys. Here's your 3 black crows. All right, if you guys know what that is, that's a 3-bar play. Let's check out the DXY. Look at the DXY, guys, pumping back up. Okay. Look at this thing go. Wow. Okay, so we're gonna watch here, guys. Watch the 3 minutes here. I'm gonna watch this candle close. I just want to see what's gonna happen in terms of this price. It's gonna come back down, I think, to the demand. All right. And there it goes. Dimitri, no, I have no idea why, my man. All I know is there's a head and shoulder pattern here which led to the dump, but I didn't think you would dump this hard. Guys, each one of those candles is at least 30 pips. So you can see this candle right here, 40 pips. Okay, this candle right here, from open to close, 50 pips. Okay, this candle right here, looking at about 37. Massive dumps, guys. Massive dumps. Just gonna update this chart right here. Flag pattern. So do we trade Forex as well? Esther? Yeah, we do. Ron did it this morning with GBP USD and GBP JPY. Okay, just click the free FX group in the top of the YouTube chat. Okay, you can see it. Just click it and then you can see, scroll up. It's about two things up here. So gold trade, and then you can see the buys in London and for GU and GJ. I know, guys, Nasdaq is falling. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. There's a lot of people who would rather see gold than Nas, but you can see Nasdaq is breaking as well. If we come down to this level right here, guys, let's see what we're gonna get. Oh, we are breaking that 50. Scott, you can't say that about gold. You got to treat it with respect, because eventually your wife is gonna want something gold, and if you don't treat it with respect, it's gonna turn all green. Okay, let's just see what we got going on here. So many gold haters over here. Where can you see the FX trades? Zane, just click the it says free Telegram in the top of the YouTube chat. Okay, if you just click that, you can see it takes you to the FX group, which is Telegram. We're on Discord. We migrated to Discord just because of the community that it's big. Okay, but you can see what happened with in this morning's London calls. Okay. Ian, we're not really. We might use something of that for the future. Okay, we might use something like that for the future. All right. Okay, so you can see, guys, nothing really happened yet on Nasdaq. It's still kind of finding that level of support right there. Yeah, Rob Mac, absolutely. Comedy Central over here. Okay, so let's check out gold. See what's bumping on gold here. I think it's still finding levels of support. I want to go back to the daily, see how the daily candle's looking now. Ignore all this, guys. It's still going to drop. Yeah, and we're dropping back down. Eventually, guys, on the daily, I'm really sorry for all this choppy stuff right here. Okay, this wick will be filled. I am telling you right now, whether it's today, tomorrow, all right, or the next day, next week, next month, whatever it is, this wick will be filled. So keep an eye out for this. Okay, this is the break and retest on demand. Okay, they're retesting it now on higher time frame, and then they're probably going to pick up some liquidity. I guarantee it that later on in the week or leading into next week, there's going to be some major news to pump this thing potentially back up. If not, then gold is just screwed and it's just going to continue to drop. Okay. Close 120 off Nas, laughing and taking pips. My man. I wouldn't be buying gold just yet, Yusuf. Want to wait at least for this candle to close right here. Okay. I want to just check out Nasdaq too. So we come near the end of the candle. Akil, we just checked your email here. Just be careful what you're posting on YouTube right now. I don't really want to read this out loud, but I appreciate you saying those really nice things. Okay. Um, so just let us respond because you didn't buy a membership. Okay. You just wait. We'll be in touch with you. You just wanted to touch base. Okay. So just let us be in touch. Okay. So let's check out gold here for Uno Momento 2. Guys, we're coming into about 5 minutes. Let's check out what we got in terms of likes here. Guys, only 160 likes. Okay, if we don't get 300 likes, guys, we're probably gonna. I'm gonna turn this off, and I'm gonna go. If we don't get 300 likes, I'm gonna turn YouTube off, and I'm just gonna trade private with these guys. From that gold sell alone, that's crazy. Yeah, Shahab, don't worry about it. It's because it was an email of interest. It wasn't an email of payment. Just don't worry about it. So pump these likes up, guys. Okay, let's take a peek. Okay, so let's watch and see, guys. Okay, let's take a peek at Nasdaq. Okay, so we're just slowly retracing gold. Okay, members, that Nasdaq is still good. It's still valid here, okay? Okay. No worries, Mark. Okay. Check out gold here. Gold dropped. Okay, so now, guys, you can see gold. It's finally hit that daily demand area, the general area here. Frankie, my man, I am about to be with you on that one very soon, too. Okay, guys, just 21 more likes, and I'll do US 30 for you. Absolutely, no problem. You guys pump those likes up 2-time doubles. I guess we do have some likers of Stock Sniper Trading here, right? Okay, nasty. Let's take a look at DXY before we flip over. Pumping, guys. DXY is pumping here. Okay, see gold. Okay, let the sync still go. Definitely watching Nasdaq right now. Okay, Nasdaq is finding some support. See long wick right here. You can see once, now second level. Okay, we got to watch and see if this price is going to now make a wick fill or if it's going to start to rise. Okay, you can see we've broken that upward trending here. I'm just going to remove that. Let's take a peek at Nasdaq on the 15-minute. Okay, so we do have a double bounce here, guys. So you can see bounce, bounce, bounce. We're still holding nice and true above that 1356.50. I'm going to move this to 5 just so we don't get head faked out on this shit. More of a psychological number. Okay, and it's starting to rise, guys. So nothing broke below here just yet. Okay, you can see that found nice level of support. 3 touches, okay, and then it rose. All right, so it's happening in times of 3. This is 2 and it rose. This is 3, so we got to expect this kind of happening right now. But let's just watch and see here. We do have a nice engulfing candlestick with 3-bar play. You might get a little bit of a pullback here. So we're at a critical level right now. Okay, you can see we're right around the 50 mark. I can tell generally by the market movement here. Okay. Akil, we got your email, dude. This is like groundbreaking. I'm excited. That was my man who made the donation. Now I know who you are. You guys got to understand, I don't really trust many people in this industry. I had one giveaway happen. I had 17 people say they were this one person. I had to ask people for IDs. And then about 15 of them had the same ID. It was unbelievable. It was like a straight hustle here. Okay. So let's check out gold. Coming into 902, guys. Gold is gone. Fuck. 1963. My God. Guys, I did not expect gold to kind of hold this. If you guys held this thing is dunzo. James, I had one guy send me a picture of his license, and it had all the information, but it had a picture of Freddie Mercury on it. Thank God I recognized who that was. You know? Oh my God, gold is done, guys. Gold, I don't even know what to say. Gold is done. Okay? That's why you don't buy on gold. Everyone asking me about gold. No, no, no. My God. Okay. All right, guys. So I'm pretty sure we got the 300 likes here. Gold is just saying goodbye. This is either going to be a huge retracement for the push, okay, to fill that wick, or this is like done, guys. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, Constantina. Yeah, exactly. I was looking at the 1960 mark too, near the low, which is the bottom of the demand. This thing drops here, guys. It's done. Gold is already done right now. Okay, I don't mind seeing this, just in hopes that maybe the indices and everything will start to retrace. Oh my God, there it goes, guys. $312. Okay. Trading Joe, it's okay, man. Honestly, at this point, you know, take it for a grain of salt. Sometimes imagine if that thing reversed on you and you caught the bottom, you know, it's a tough it's a tough thing to do, especially around this time. Okay? Johnny, I'm in. I'm already in. Okay? Aksara Chanel. Okay, I think I talked to you before. Hopefully my mic is on and you can hear me. Send us an email. Okay, you joined 2 days ago. Okay, as I told you, we had a high influx of members join. Just send us an email. We'll get you set up. Okay, you'll be good to go. You haven't missed much. All right, so just get ready to rock. All right, I'm also running 50 pips on Nas cells, guys. So hopefully everyone is running with. Let's go. Sorry, Frankie, not 50, my bad. You're running 50. I got in from that 56. Okay, 56. That's why I was saying 50 right there. So if you guys got in, you're running about maybe 20 pips here. Okay? Put the W in the chat if you guys held this trade right here. Okay, and the goal is down here. All right. I got a lot of W's right now, so good. Okay, so move your stop loss to break even if you got it. I want Elbin. Elbin, I want to give a shout out to you, my man. This kid is under 20 years old, and he's trying to master FX. He's a business graduate with honors. I think he skipped a couple grades. He kind of schooled me on a one-on-one we did. Not really, but you know, I want to give a shout out to my young man right there, Elbin. Every stream he's on, everything, guys. I want to give a mad shout out to this guy. All right. Dre, you're set. You're 18. Okay, guys, we got some young ones here. That's good. That's good. I'm gonna watch for you, dude. The DR 77. I'm gonna watch out for you now. Okay. You guys are the future up and comers. I'm telling you right now. My man Elbin could probably chart with the best of them who's been doing it for 5, 6 years. Okay. Yusuf. Okay. My man's 19. Craig's 95. My man. Guys, that's good. 47. Rag 20. Nice. Josh. My God, we got some young hustlers here. That's good, guys. I'm 16. Zayn. 16, trying to figure this stuff out. It takes some time, guys. Don't worry. Josh 18. Adidas 17. Miss Pre. Z. Johnny 21. Carlos 37. Nice, guys. 50. Ian. Then add 30. That's jokes, guys. Okay, guys. Shit, we're like talking too much here. We got to get back on the track here. Okay, so hopefully you guys got that. You know, Maxi 14 trying to make bucks. That's crazy, guys. That's crazy. Tamid, I remember you, my man. How old's everyone here? I'm 20. Been following this stream since 15K, straight up. 15 organic K. You just watch and we put in some money into advertising. That's all I got to say to you. Okay? That's all I got to say. All right. Okay, guys, so let's do the US 30. I just want to say, guys, straight up, thank you for the likes. Okay, I know we're talking here and stuff like that. You know, thank you very much. I definitely appreciate it. All right, so let's get starting to US 30 leading into market open, okay? Let's go to the daily here. Okay, so we have a nice downward parallel channel. US 30 is very choppy, guys. US 30 is very choppy right now. Okay, the key thing is finding demand and supply. All right, pretty sure we all know this when we're doing a top down. Okay, let's get ready, rock here. Finding some support, looking good. Okay, guys, so you can see we have a nice daily support in terms of the wick right here. Cancel that. Greg, just bring it with you, my man. Don't ever leave. You can be like that one guy who was on our webinar. That was some funny stuff, I'm not going to lie to you. Okay, look at this chop we have here, guys. I don't like this. It's okay, though. Got my 4-hour resistance. Okay. Let's go to the hourly now. Okay, find some hourly support. Okay, we're going to drop to the 30-minute now. Guys, and this chart is on Global Prime. Okay, so some numbers might be different than yours. Okay, get that question asked a lot, and it's just because the different liquidity providers, okay? So you can see here US 30, Global Prime, okay? So let's now switch to the 15-minute. See what's rocking here. Tati, he knows, man. I told you, he's the one. You're going to see this guy on Saturday Night Live eventually. And that's going to be his main joke. The correlation. That's too funny. Okay, 5 and support. Okay, and then we have some 5-minute resistance here, guys. Okay, Nasdaq had a dirty wick pushing back up. We'll adjust and look at everything. Okay, I just want to show you when the market is going to open in terms of the New York Stock Exchange right here. Okay, so that's what we're working with. We have enough time to be able to get there. All right, most likely I can think they're going to try to maybe push it down around this area and fill this wick again. Okay, we have to watch and see how this is going to go. Rob, my man, thank you, dude. I appreciate that. Hopefully you got that Nas trade. I think you did. Yeah, you did. And it dipped back. Here's a retest, guys, too. Here's your retest at the 5-minute. This is acting as resistance here. Okay, see how it says support? It should be resistance. Okay. Let's take a peek on gold, too. What do you guys think? Okay, I'm going to ask you guys now. You guys always watch me live stream. What do you guys think? Should we buy gold now? Resistance is spelled wrong, boss. Oh my god. I'll go back and check it. Resistance. Okay, what do you think? Should we buy gold, guys? I'm asking you now. Are you sure this is not going to be a dead cat bounce? Hell no. Guys, yell at me. If you want to risk it for the biscuit, my man Keith knows the sayings. Oh, Hader Ali, you looked that up, eh, my man? Guys, I know it. See what I mean? Guys, listen, I have like, it's like it's like 50-50. Everyone's saying, fuck yeah, buy. And everyone's saying, no, don't buy. Wait for the next candle. You know what I mean? So let's watch and see how it plays out. Nice little uptrend here, okay? We dumped off, guys. Like, this thing is heavy sells, like it is. I'm not looking for anything right now. Let's take a look at the RSI. Look at how far we're at. Okay, we tapped the low of, we got to 17, okay? Now it's trying to retrace. Okay, and we're going to see if we're going to get below this general area right here. Josh, we do. Yeah. Yep. I don't use it always daily. Guys, good questions. I do use fibs. Yeah, I do. So this is our gold buys right here, guys. This is the people buying gold. See how the wick just broke through the previous structure? It just tapped the low in 1958, guys. That's a big, guys, that thing, 1977 to 1958. That's, it's 190 pips, guys. It's 190 pips, maybe 185 pips, depending on where it actually happened. But that was a big, big bearish sell-off here, okay? I can't even fit it all on my chart. Let me just erase some of this. Okay, looking good. Okay, so let's check out now US 30 and Nasdaq. Okay, nasty, coming back up, long wick. Hey, dope, I don't know. I'm indecisive right now on gold. I am. I've learned over the years, guys, that I've been doing this, you don't have to buy and sell everything. You just find the setup that works best for you, and that's the one you take. That's why honestly, guys, that's why I legitimately asked you. I didn't really know what to do in that situation. Like I'm personally, I told you I'm waiting out. I'm waiting, right? So I just wanted to see what maybe you guys thought. All right, let's check out US. Okay, we're starting to rise. Okay, guys, let's check out now the DXY here. Look at the DXY, nice bullish movement here. Okay, so you have shoulder here. Let's go over this. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Here's your retest area, okay, and then you have your continuation. Okay, so the DXY just made an inverse head and shoulder continuation pattern here. Okay, just showing you guys my thought process of this. All right, but this is kind of how it works. Okay. There's nasty here. Okay, let's check out gold. See how they pumped it right above that trend line, guys? Sivat Kumar, if you want to do the lifetime, yes. And it also comes with, we don't list it here, but it comes with some one-on-one sessions just to check in with how you're doing. All right. So generally people who want to do that, all right, they're serious traders. And that's why we kind of invest the same time into them. All right. So it's not 1.5 hour sessions, but it's just check-ins. Okay. So just wanted to let you know about that. All right. Guys, no, the DXY, just look it up on TradingView. Okay, Trends. I don't even think TrendSpider has it. TradingView has it. There's some other, I guess, free ones online. Okay, but look at the DXY right now in terms of just those ones. Okay, so it's called, yeah, exactly, Carlos. It's called the U.S. Dollar Index. All right. Bell, I did actually. W Moore. Okay, let's check it out. My man Moore is looking at that. Okay, let's check out how it's looking on the 15, guys. I see that Gabriel. Look on the 5 minute too. See if you can spot that extended head and inverse head and shoulder pattern here. Okay, guys, so we're gonna flip over. Currently 9:22. We're gonna watch this for about 2 more minutes until the candles close, and then we'll head over and we'll do Nasdaq and US 30, guys. But let me know, what do you guys want to trade? Do you guys want to do Nasdaq or US 30? Okay. You got a lot of people here. Let me know what we need to do here. Okay, everyone. Let me see what the likes got going on here. Everyone's US 30 Nasdaq. I like this. Okay, guys, here's one more. Okay, where are you guys from? Okay, I always ask this. I haven't asked this recently actually, but let me know where you're from. Okay, and then I'm going to look at US 30 and Nasdaq on my MT4 and see what we're going to do. Okay, India, New Zealand, Mighty Wales, Nanaimo, BC, Nikki, Netherlands, South Africa, Idiotsville. I feel like that. I'm there sometimes, man. Don't worry. Auckland, New Zealand. That's crazy. Nebraska, Clearwater, Florida. Oh my God, I wish I was in Florida right now. I'll tell you that. Delaware, Oklahoma, Mozambique, Jamaica, Singapore. Guys, we're bumping here. New Zealand. It's crazy, guys. Egyptian, Turkish. Nice, nice. Malaysia, Belgium. That's crazy, guys. Texas, my man. Orlando, Del T. I was just there. Not recently, but about a month ago. Sudbury. Hey, no, I went to Laurentian, guys. That's hilarious of me. No way. I played varsity basketball for 4 years at a university, and it was in Sudbury. That's hilarious. Too funny, guys. Dominican Republic, no snow. Yeah, well, if I showed you right now in Canada, right now, guys, we got snow again. Heavy, heavy snow. All right. Oh my God, it's crazy. Members, I'll send you a screenshot. Okay. Okay, it's 9:25 here. Keys, Collins, my man, 150 ice cream cone. Thank you so much. Thank you, my man. I will definitely enjoy that ice cream cone. God bless you, dude. Sudbury, my brother is living there. Kush. It's still snowing here, guys. I'm straight up. I'm telling you right now. If I showed you this, it's like I said, my birthday was on the weekend. It was nice, and then they get the shit storm of the snow here. My God, I'm so jealous of it. Oh, you guys, Bryce, you got some in Minnesota as well. Okay, that's too much. I know, Ian. Canada always has snow, my man. Administrator, I'll put it in the Discord. Okay, guys. Currently 9:26. Okay, the big nickel. Ah, my man. You guys know about it. Too funny. Okay, look at Nasdaq, guys. Heavy rejection based on the push. All right, let's make some updates here on Nasdaq. Thanks, guys. It was on the weekend, so no doubt. I don't really tell many people about it. I'm kind of like a pretty quiet person, so I appreciate that. Okay, guys, we got 3 minutes here. We're gonna do US 30, guys. Okay, we scalped Nasdaq today in terms of before. All right, we're gonna do some dirty 30. I think that's what everyone's been waiting for here. Okay. Trading Joe, I am actually very small lot size, like I told you. We're gonna watch and see how this is gonna go. Okay. 927. Okay. Okay, guys. So if you're new, do not trade the 9:30 New York stock candle. Okay, it can have a lot of head fakes. All right, wait 10 to 15 minutes for the markets to settle. Use proper risk management. Also use trailing stop losses, and take profit when applicable. Okay. No, 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 Aaron. I always got to text this or type this. If you don't like this time to trade, guys, don't. All right. Tell me, do I have a 5-year goal? Um, I like what I'm doing right now in my life. You know, I like working with traders and stuff like that. I'm always learning too. It's not like I know everything, and neither does Ron. We're learning together, so I'm pretty happy with where I'm at in life. I don't need millions of dollars to be happy, guys. More money, more problems. Biggie Small said it, right? It's always nice to make a nice little side income, but when you have big goals like that, a lot of issues do happen. So try to keep it modest and humble, guys. That's the way to do it. I don't need to make anything like that. It's not going to make me happier. If anything, it's going to make me miser. Uh, More miserable. Sorry, miser. That's the word of the day. Miser. That even friggin' exists. You know. Some people may not like that. Some people may want to do the Lambos and stuff like that. I'm not down for that. I have an F-150 jacked up truck, and I'm perfectly fine with that. Okay, Mizier. I'm gonna get grilled by the group now on that one. Okay, guys, here's the 930. Let it play out. Okay, so the Dow is pumping up right now, guys. Let's watch and see the first candle. Guys, look at where we're at. We're just slowly tapping over 20 on the RSI. Okay. Okay, so you see the head fake. All right, so if you miss this, the buy was originally nice. Okay, now you can see it's get rejected at that 15-minute resistance, the high. Let's watch and see how we're going to roll here. We need more momentum to push, guys. Okay, let's take a look at where we're at on the 9 EMA here. Let's take a look at the 200. Okay, we're just breaking above this. Okay, very nice so far. All right, but anything can happen. All right, I want to remove that 200. I just want to know where we're at currently on this 200. Okay, let's check out Nasdaq for 1 minute here. Okay, so Nasdaq pushed and then pulled, guys. Indecisiveness on Nas. Okay, that's why you wait for the first couple candles to play out. Parek, I noticed that too, guys. I noticed that too. Gold is selling off now, guys. Okay, just watching here. Nice bullish push. Bam. Let's go, guys. There we go, guys. Let's go. Come on. Okay. Okay, 18 seconds left, guys. Let's watch and see how the next candle starts to play. All right. 10 seconds here. Okay, I had a nice little shoulder, head, extended shoulder here. Potential triple top here, extension trying to break through. Let's watch. Okay, so now getting rejected at that 15 minute. Okay, we're going to see how far this thing's going to shoot down, if it does at all. All right, there you go. Okay, what's your advice on someone who revenge trades? Jifu, you gotta control your emotions. Okay, that's the best thing I can say, and that's more often than not. Have a set goal per day, have a strategy. It basically comes down to you don't have a strategy. Okay, all right, Jifu, you need to have a strategy. And guys, I'm answering someone on YouTube. He asked about revenge trading, which is a great question. Okay, we just did up another course on like revenge trading, emotional trading, and it all comes down to emotional. Okay, check gold. Okay, we'll check it out here. Still hovering around. Okay, she's still hovering there. Just getting rejection at the 9 EMA. Okay, but it can still pump up, guys. As soon as gold breaks above this 9 EMA, okay, and breaks above here, come like this, you can start to get a walk to the upside. Okay, as soon as it breaks above there. Guys, there's a long wick. Okay, remember what we're looking for here. Okay, I'm not saying this can tap today, but remember there's a nice opportunity. Look at the range we're in. Okay, rejection, support, ceiling, floor. Okay, so there's a long wick right here. If US 30 wants to continue past that daily, we have a nice long wick potentially forming there. Good morning, Joel. Good morning. What's going on, big man? Okay, a little bit choppy here. Okay, you can see the rejections here, guys. It's not looking too fruitful. All right. Very much indecision right now. All right. So we got to watch and see how the next minute is going to play out here. I want to see until like a minute and 26 how this is going to start to play. Okay, you can see they're getting weak closes here. Okay, weak closes, a lot of rejection. They're not pushing it past here. So remember, to the left, okay, they tell us a story here. And this is what's happening. A little bit of resistance there, all right? Yeah, overbought, golden cross, you guys are seeing it right. So, key members, check the zoom. Let's watch and see how we're rolling here. Gifu, thanks man. I just blew my account after being consistent for the last couple weeks. I can't thought of losing. I didn't manage my risk. Yeah, we've been there, man. Honestly, we've all been there. Okay, we've all been there. So best thing I could suggest to you guys is just practice with the demo account for that. You know, look at doing something, practicing your own strategy. If you don't have a strategy, you have to find one that's consistent with, everyday trading. All right. Okay. Okay, guys. So for the guys who are rocking gold, 1 second here. Let's just check it out. Sorry, my mic is killing me here. Yeah, gold is still breaking up, guys. Yeah, CryptoVest. You can get a demo account on HankoTrade if you want. All right. They have them free available. The link is in the description box here, so you can see now, guys, it's starting to go bullish. All right. If you want to know where a stop loss can be, you can place it right there. Minimal risk. Okay. Let's take a peek on the dirty. Okay, heavy supply area here. Gold and US 30 are generally correlated, guys. Okay, but again, you can see right now gold is pushing up, US 30 is pushing up. There's an engulfing candlestick here. We do have nice support forming, okay, for the dirty. So let's just watch and see how this is going to play out. So originally, guys, we had a nice little opportunity here. That 15-minute resistance was nice. You caught the sell. Okay. I sold it here. I was in profit. Then it came back and it reversed. Okay. That's where I took a stop loss hit right there. So that was negative for me. Okay. So, but originally, guys, if you would have held the buys like we had said, you would have hit your TP. Okay. Let's take a peek at Nasdaq as well. There's nasty too, guys. Look at this. Dirty. Head fake city right now. Okay, still pushing. Okay, gold is pumping, guys. Yeah, gold did close above it. There you go, it's starting to rise. You can see it's already in there. US 30 is a rocket right now too. Okay, so broke through supply. You can erase that. So guys, if you held the original buys there, that was the overall signal. Okay, getting into the buys based on this structure right here. Okay, stop loss, like I said, would have been there. Now, guys, you can see what's happening here. They're getting that previous resistance. Okay, the next level, if it wants to break above and continue, we have the high wick right here. Okay, so you can see the buys are starting to run. All right, the buys are starting to run. Okay, let's see how distended we are. Look at where we're at right here. Okay, 75. Okay, we're very bullish right now, guys, on US 30. Okay, very bullish on US 30 right now. So remember, you guys should be running on the secondary buy. Okay, secondary buy is right at the top. Okay, so you guys should be running on it right there. Stop loss you can have at the 15-minute resistance. Okay, we got stopped out, and then I said look for the buys. Buys are running. Okay, let's see on gold too. Let's take a peek on gold. Gold is still walking up, guys. So looking a little bit like it's getting a push down right here at the previous resistance. Okay, so guys, move your stop loss if you want to break even. Okay, hold the trade. Okay, see it's getting pushed down, guys. So if you guys are still hovering on the gold buys, okay, make sure to understand that price. Like I said, you can push down here, so you might go into a little bit of drawdown. They're going to retest the 9 EMA guaranteed for anything. All right, you can see they're going to come back down and test the white 9 right there. All right, US 30 still pumping, guys. Okay, there we go. Very bullish. Very, very bullish, guys. Okay, so see what I mean, guys, members. If you guys, we sold here, okay, then we got our stop loss hit, and then I said flip, go into a buy. This is the reason why, okay? We got a little bit of head faked out here. We would have had it, okay? If it dropped down a little bit more, that would have been better, but they held it, okay? Then the next candle was engulfing, okay? So that's why you're getting overall push. That's why I said, guys, hammer the buys, all right? And you can see that it's starting to run now. So you would have taken a loss, okay, right there, and then it pushed to the upside, so you would have made up that loss, okay? So that's not revenge trading, that's just trading with the trend, okay, based on the market open, all right? Yeah, it's MacBook. It is way too late to buy. Okay. Let's get to the high. What is it? 1925. 28.57. There we go. Okay, let's watch and see now. Okay, so still holding that trend here. If your broker's freezing, guys, you have to talk to you have to talk to them. You have to email them. You have to let them know what's going on, especially if you just did what you said you did, CL. And you should not be blowing two. Okay, especially with the 1% risk. That's a little bit over leveraged, so way too much. Way too much. Okay. Okay, guys, that's better. All right, cool. I just can't spell in caps. I need a spell checker. That's it. All right, so let's watch and see how, guys. See how this is gonna roll here. Let's check out gold for 1 second. Okay, gold is still holding, guys. Remember I told you the retest is coming. Okay, here's your retest. Let's see now if it's going to get a nice float to the push to the upside here. Perfect gold break and continuation. Okay, it's still pushing up on gold. Okay, I'm going to stay for about another 3 minutes here. Let's take a peek on NAS. Look at NAS push, guys. Okay, still having its continuation. All right, nice. Tapping near the day. Let's check out the dirty. Okay, filled that wick, guys. Now pushing to the upside. Yeah, business, I was out. Absolutely. I was out down here. Okay. Pushing way up there, guys. Now it's coming to the 19, it's 34,000, guaranteed 700 mark. Okay, let's see if we have any, look at how overextended this is, guys. That's how overextended this bad boy is. This thing is at 80.68, still rising, okay? Still rising. It's coming for that daily demand. Let's take a look on the 15-minute, how she's looking. Strong, guys. Very, very strong, okay? Nice inverse head and shoulder pattern for the continuation. Shoulder, head, secondary shoulder here, and then you're getting your overall push to the upside. Okay. Greg, what, the US 30? No, no, no. I was in on this wick when it came down here. It was right around here for the day. Didn't even make it to the day. As soon as the candle opened up, that's when I secured. The next point is going to the supply zone right up here. Heavy supply. Okay, that's where we're going to push to on the US 30, judging by the momentum that we're starting to get. All right. No, Greg, for now the third time, I told you, I exited on this candle. I got it on the top wick. As soon as it pushed back down, secured right there. That's now the third time I've said it. Okay, so watch now, see what's going to happen here. Greg, it's okay, man. No worries. If it's internet issues, no worries, my man. Let's see gold now. Okay, gold push, guys. Now reversed. Okay, didn't even make it. Nice little high here, getting rejected at that 1866.80 mark. So it's still holding nice and strong so far. Okay, you can see you have a nice little trend line that's holding it. So if you're still in gold, there's your trend line. Gonna move that there. Okay, so let's take a peek now. Go back to Nas, check it out real quick. Okay, so still pushing. Yeah, guys, I wouldn't be buying at the high right now. Look at how overextended it is. Okay, let it do its thing here. Okay. Let's take a peek where the 200 is now, heavily down there. Perfect. Okay, so we see, guys, we got a nice golden cross right here. That's a continuation. Flagpole, bullish flag, continuation, and we're still walking up, all right? Yeah, right to the left. I had a feeling it was. Let's watch and see now how it's going to play out. Okay, sorry, just reading some things here, letting it do its thing. No, Mo, I'm going to leave it right now. I want to see what it's going to get through the, see if it pushes through the supply. It's still very bullish right now, guys. The sells, I was even scared when I did those quick little scalps. It's not worth my time. Should have just bought the whole thing. Counter trading will kill you. So I think it's probably best right now, guys, because it's coming into 10 o'clock, the new hourly candle. Pumping still quite heavily. All right, probably going to call it a session. All right. Just want to watch and see how this 54-second candle closes here. Yeah, I don't like the sells either, guys. It's too strong right now. I think eventually in the next probably hour you might get a short-term pullback, but watch and see how this candle opens. Okay, it's still strong on US. Gold is trying to hold there, guys. Okay, you can see it's still holding that trend. Okay, very strong. So what I mean about the sells, guys, wait, it's still very strong to sell. Okay, still very, very strong to sell right now. Indices have to recover at some point, guys. At some point they have to. So no real cooling off. Okay, now you can see a little bit of resistance here. Okay, let's watch and see if they're going to retest that, I guess you could say, short-term supply. This thing is still going to rise, guys. Okay, well, it's 10 o'clock. Stay a little bit extra. Usually we just do one or two trades and stuff like that. Okay, so let me explain what happened here, guys. So we had a nice little push. I told the guys if it broke above the 15-minute, tap the daily. She did, okay? We had a short-term sell in here too that hit stop loss. Okay, then I said reverse and get into a buy. All right. I told the guys I entered in a short-term sell right here, okay, right at the top wick, pushed back down. As soon as I started seeing the green candle, I closed my position and started to go bullish. Okay, so very, very fast, quick. Not the healthiest, not the best type of trading right there, the pullbacks. It's not. Okay, overall trend was bullish. All we had to do was kind of look for the moving averages right there. So I learned my lesson from today. Okay, especially when I got my stop loss hit based on this trade down here. And then I quickly flipped into the buy and it kind of made up for it. But still, if I didn't take that, this would have been a detrimental thing to my account. Okay, so guys, with that being said, let me just flip over one quick session here. So let me show you guys if you guys have any questions. All right, but what we're doing. Okay. One thing here, guys, usually in the top right-hand corner, okay, we do have a translator, so it translates over into 100 different languages. Okay, it's not popping up right now, but it usually will in your browser just because I just haven't refreshed my cache. Okay, so guys, scroll down here. You can see that we're doing Tokyo session, which is a live webinar. Okay, webinar session. Tonight's going to be back testing. Okay, we're going to back test for about an hour and a half some of the trades that we've set up, things that have gone on during the week. We do live London. We already did it this morning. You can see what we've done in the group chat and the Telegram. Okay. You can see that on New York, we're going to go live in another 21 hours, which is the same session we're on right now. If you guys want to join, you don't have to. Okay, it's totally up to you. But if you guys want to trade with us more and you guys want to take your trading to a little bit next level, we are revamping our whole education section here. It's going to be a lot more efficient, a lot more content's being put up right now. It should be done by the end of the week. Okay, you get 52-week program plus all our webinars. Okay, private live trading with us and like back testing in our sessions. Okay, weekly webinars, live Q&A, back testing, and a webinar, all three. Okay, 3 to 5 trade ideas per day depending on market conditions. Yesterday, you can see in the free FX group that we had a massive US 30 sell for almost 100, 200 pips yesterday night, and you can see some of the other ones that happened yesterday. Okay, so you can also join 3, 6, 12 right here. These both will get you in the boot camp if you're a paying member at the time. All right, if you guys want to book a one-on-one session as well, these things are booked fast right now. We're doing 2 to 3 a day, and then we are looking at 2 weeks scheduling. Okay. All right, guys, so if you guys have any other questions here, the mentorship, the trade ideas, education, live trading environment, this is what we're promoting. If you guys have any questions about how to get in touch with us, okay, this is the section right down at the bottom of the site. Okay, check that out. Okay. All right, calendar, just wanted to show you one quick thing, the live sessions. Okay, that one can't be reached. 1 second. Sorry about that, guys. I think it's my browser right now. Sorry about that. Anyways, guys, this is our Instagram right here. You guys can follow along. Okay, check it out. We've added one more post. This is just not refreshed. Okay, give us a like right here. It's almost at 35,400. Okay, so you can check that out based on that. Okay, guys, so I just got to refresh my browser and stuff like that, but you can see the site is just down because of mine, so you can check it out, stocksnevertrading.com. Okay, in terms of the live session right now that we got going on, guys, US 30 is holding some support right here and then starting to push to the upside. Okay, let's see what happened with gold. Okay, gold is still holding a nice little potential trend, so eventually we can see if we're going to push up or if it's going to hold below that 9 and start to sell off. All right. So guys, thanks for the session here. It was really good. You know, Nasdaq was a nice play of the day too. It pumped right back up. You can see we weren't really looking at much other than right here. We did get the buy and then got a little bit of the sell right here. So we missed the pump, but we're focused on US 30. All right. So guys, thanks for the session. Same time, same channel tomorrow. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll go from there. Okay. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Every trader's focus is to get low spreads and finding a perfect strategy. They also focus on proper entries and exits. However, before any decision is made, look for a reliable broker. We all want to have good spreads and commissions that allow us to get into the blue faster. At HankoTrade, having spreads as low as 0.0 pips with leverage available up to 500 times is just one click away. You may also choose from 3 different account types, with a minimum deposit as low as $10. Built by traders for traders. Trade and control with our recommended broker, HankoTrade.